Hey everyone, welcome back to LR Options. In this video, we will look at stock trends and how they develop by buying or selling stocks. We will look at trends in Tesla stock, Moderna stock, and Uber stock. We will look at the simple moving average, how it is used to determine a stock's trend. Okay, we will also see how the simple moving average is determined, and we'll also be doing some Tesla stock chart analysis as well as using other charts as well. Okay, so let's look at let's see. Let's begin with Tesla. Okay, let's bring it down a little. So we're looking at the daily time frame, and the trend is going up. So Tesla is going in an uptrend, and you've got the 9 moving average, which is the blue line, going up. You've got the yellow line, which is the 20 moving average, and the 50 and the 200 moving averages. They're all facing up, so that's an uptrend. But remember, within the uptrend, you have several pullbacks. So right now, there's a pullback on Tesla within the last few days, and the pullback started at 1191, and now it's at 1026. Okay. We're also gonna look at not time frames, but how simple moving averages are determined. And the way they're determined is, for instance, you'll take the 20 moving average, and what it's made up of is the averages of all of the last 20 days put together, and that gives you the average, the 20 moving average period. Okay, so if you wanted to enter a call trade, because you do see that all the averages are moving up, all the average indicators, but right now it's in a pullback. So if you wanted to enter a call trade, you would have to wait for a confirming candle. So that would be a green candle, and then maybe a second confirming green candle, and then you can enter. That'll confirm that you're in an uptrend, and then you can enter a call trade. And that, of course, is saying that you feel that the stock is going to be going up. Let's see if we can go into the hourly time frame. Maybe we can get a different. Okay, so we're here in the hourly time frame, and over here, when you go down in time frames, you get more detail. So right here, you can definitely see the downtrend. Okay, so you see the downtrend began on January the 4th, okay, to January the 7th, and you see mostly red candles, so that's another confirmation of the downtrend. And it's crossing over it's past the red indicator, which is a 200 moving average indicator. So it's a possibility it might continue a little bit further, or it might stop, because it does look like you're getting some green candles, unless that's just a pullback, and then it'll continue. All right, so let's look at another chart. Let's look at Moderna. And what we'll do is we'll stay with the hourly time frame for now, and then we'll switch to the daily time frame. Okay, so Moderna, where's our Moderna? Let's see. Moderna might be at the end. I might have it all the way down here. No, I don't have it there. Let's see. Here it is. Okay, again, Moderna is also in a downtrend. And it, let me see, yep. All indicators are facing downwards. And it's funny how different time frames will give you different information. So that's why it's good to look at different time frames. Just see, you can get a better picture of what's going on with the stock, and you can have a better idea where you want to enter your trade. So in the hourly time frame, we see all indicators are facing down. The stock is under the indicators, and that's telling you that it's in a downtrend. And anywhere that you would have entered your trade from, let's say, December 22nd down to the present, you would have made a profit, because you know, if you would have put in for a put trade, because the trade is going down. Let's look at the daily time frame. Okay. And actually, look at the daily time frame. If you, it's clear, and it's not. It wasn't this clear with the Tesla chart, but over here we can clearly see that it's in a downtrend, and it's been in a downtrend for a few days. There was a pullback over here in December 28th for a few days, and then it continued going down. So the daily time frame for Moderna and the hourly time frame, which we'll switch back to, complemented each other. They confirmed each other. So, you know, I would have confidently gone into a put trade with this with those two indicators and those two time frames. Okay, so let's look at, we've already looked at Tesla, we've looked at Moderna, so let's look at Uber and see what's going on with Uber. Go down, let's see, here we go. Okay, so hourly time frame, it's facing down, so the stock is below at least three of the indicators. Okay, so it had a pullback January the 6th, there was a pullback, and then it continued going down. And it had sort of a little resting period there for a few hours, but it continued going downtrend. Let's look at the daily time frame to see what's going on with that. Okay, let's see the daily time frame. And it was not as obvious, because you see how it went up here with the 9 moving average and the 20 moving average, and you've got the 200 moving average above, which is usually an indicator that the trend, the stock is in a downtrend, and it is, but the when you have these large swings of the smaller indicators, it's so much more harder to predict, and you have such a difference, because you look at the daily indicator, daily time frame, and okay, you do see the last few days the bars are red, so you have a downtrend, but to confirm, you need to go to the hourly, go down another time frame, and you do see an indication of a downtrend. Let's look at the 30-minute. I'm kind of curious about that. 30-minute time frame. Okay, and for the last 3 days, it was really obvious that it was going down. Okay, so I would have liked to look at a chart. This is the United Airline Holdings, to look at an uptrend for a call, but we can do that in another video. Anyway, so to summarize, Um, Today we learned that trends are developed by the selling or the buying of stocks. So if a trend is going up, there's usually buying going on. And if a trend is going down, there's usually selling going on. We also learned that the different time frames will show you different information or confirm information. So sometimes you'll look at the daily time frame and the hourly time frame, and you see that they don't match exactly, and sometimes they do. They confirm each other. So, and it makes it harder. Sometimes it's harder or easier for you to put your trade in, or to decide whether you want to put in a call or a put trade. Anyway, so this is all for now. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And goodbye for now.